Hello students, today we learn the second method of initial feasible solution, that is matrix minima method, and it is also called as lowest cost entry method. In this method we also find the minimum cost of transportation problem, and we also check here that total supply equals to total demand. For solving any type of transportation problem, first we check this condition. It is most important, that is total supply equals to total demand. Okay, we start our second method, that is matrix minima method, and it is also called lowest cost method. We give some examples on it. First, same example we given here. Destination sources are F1, F2 and F3, and destinations are W1, W2, W3, W4. Okay, matlab means 4 destination and 3 sources. Here is demand and here is capacity. Here is total of capacity, here is total of demand, and it is 34. Okay, we can solve this in that way. First, destination are given, 4 destination, 3 demands. In this method, the name of this method is matrix minima method. Therefore, we gives a location in that matrix, that is 1 2 3 4, 4 columns and 1 2 3, 3 rows. This is our matrix. It is 3 cross 4 matrix. Okay, this is 1 1 cell, this is 1 2 cell, this is 1 3 cell, this is 1 4 cell, it is 2 1 cell, 2 2 cell, 2 3 cell, 2 4 cell, 3 1 cell, 3 2 cell, 3 3 cell and 3 4 cell. The capacity and demand does not include in that matrix. Only these costs are included in matrix. Okay, and it is also called lowest cost entry method. Means we start here the lowest cost of this matrix. See this matrix. In this matrix, which is the lowest cost? Here is 19, here 30, here 50, 10, 70, 30, 40, 60, 48, 70 and 20. In this, which is the lowest cost? 8 is lowest cost. Okay, so we allocate our location here. This cell is 3 to cell. We locate here. How we can locate the location? C corresponding row here is 18 capacity, and C corresponding column here is 8 demand. Which is minimum? 8 and 18. 8 is minimum. Therefore, we allocate here 8. And allocation is denoted by circle. Okay. So, here our demand is fulfilled. Therefore, we write here 0. And also 18 becomes 10. In that way, we solve our whole transportation problem. Now 8 is over. So in that column does not enter any allocation. Okay. Now 19 remaining terms are, remaining cost are 19, 70, 40, 50, 40, 70, 10, 60 and 20. Which is minimum cost? 10 is a minimum cost. Therefore, our allocation is here now. Okay. Their corresponding capacity is 7. Their corresponding demand is 14. Which is less? 7 is less. Therefore, we allocate 7 is here. Here is 0 and here is 7. 14 minus 7, it is 7. Okay. So, first row is also fulfilled for allocation. Therefore, we rough our first row. Okay, now the remaining terms are 70, 40, 40, 70, 60, 20. Which is minimum? 20 is minimum. Okay, that is lowest cost. And the corresponding is 10 and 7. Which is minimum? 7 is minimum. Therefore, we allocate here 7. It becomes 0 and 10 it is becomes 3. Okay, now this column is also fulfilled. Therefore, we rough this. Okay, now remaining terms 70, 40, 40, 70. There are 2 minimum terms, that is 2 minimum cost, 40 and 40. Okay, now choose any one of these 2 elements. Any one. Suppose we select this 2 3 cell. Therefore, the corresponding capacity is 9, corresponding demand is 7. Which is minimum? 7 is minimum. Therefore, we allocate here 7. It is 0. It becomes 9 minus 7. It is 2. Therefore, this column is also fulfilled. Therefore, rough this column by pencil. Okay, you can rough it by pencil. Now, two terms are remaining, 70 and 40. Which is minimum? 40 is minimum. Now, corresponding here 3, here is 5. Therefore, allocate here 3. 3 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 2. Now, only one term is remaining. Cost is minimum. Here is corresponding capacity is 2 and demand is also 2. Therefore, it is same quantity. Therefore, our answer is correct. Here is 2. Now, see the allocations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of allocations are m plus n minus 1. That is 6 allocations. Therefore, an initial feasible solution is also basic feasible solution. Therefore, we find the transportation cost as 7 plus 10, 7 into 10, plus 2 into 70, plus 7 into 40, plus 3 into 40, plus 8 into 18, plus 7 into 20. Therefore, our total transportation cost is 814 rupees, which is less than our first method transportation cost. For finding first method is northwest corner method. Our transportation cost is for same example is 1015. And now this matrix minimum method, our cost is 814. Therefore, from northwest corner method, matrix minimum method gives lowest cost, and also the WAM method gives also lowest cost from these tools. Therefore, we give the minimum cost.